Hey, what's going on, everyone? In this new content update video, we're going to be talking about updates that we did to the Device Repair widget. And for those of you that have been watching our videos pretty regularly, you're probably thinking to yourself, didn't they just recently do a video about this? And you'd actually be correct. We did a recent video where we highlighted some changes we made to the UI in the Device Repair widget to kind of tighten the UI up a bit so that it looked better at varying resolutions. Well, in this update, we've gone a step further, and for those of you that have been asking for a way to customize the Device Repair widget, well, I'm excited to say you can finally do that. So I'm not going to go very far into how to actually go through step by step like we've done in past Device Repair widgets because the flow is very similar. There's just new fields that I wanted to make you aware of in this video that enable you to do a lot more with it. That said, let's head to the administration screen. I'm already there. Then into the integration section, and you'll see an option here called Repair Widgets. If you click on Repair Widgets, you'll see if you already have some existing device repair widgets, they'll be visible here and you can click to preview them or edit as you see fit. And of course, you can hit New Device Repair Widget to build out a brand new one. And I'll tease the theme colors button here. We'll come back to that because I'm cruel like that. Anyway, let's look at a repair widget that is already built. I'm going to click Edit, and you can see here we have things organized by manufacturer. In this case, I'm going to click on the Samsung one, and just like in the old school device repair widget, you could come in here and add options. Well, what's different now is that the option labels can actually be customized. Previous to this, for those of you that weren't using device repair widgets, the device repair widget was mostly focused towards, I would say, cell phone repair and maybe some computer repair. And the labels were fixed to like color, network, issue, and maybe one other one. Now you can customize what those labels say. You can choose the order they're in, and you can also, just like before, add in the options that people can choose from. It's now also possible to, of course, clone the selections so that you can quickly add in multiple different model types. If you're dealing with like an iPhone situation to maybe you're someone that works on a lot of different Lenovo laptops, or in the case of this example, if you're a TV repair person, there's a lot of varied models of very similar nature, and that copy can actually save you some time. You can click to drag to reorder things in the UI as you see fit. And then just like in the last video and in the knowledge base, you can choose to add a image of your own or a selection from the existing thumbnails we have. So once you get all that squared away, make sure to hit Update Device Widget and it will save. And then from there, if you wanted to, you can hit Preview, and it will take you to the device repair widget. And for those of you looking at my very, let's call it pretty looking device repair widget, yes, you can now customize a bunch of the options, or rather the look of the options in the device repair widget. On the main repair widget page, if you hit theme color, you can now come in here and click, and you'll get kind of a color wheel type of thing. And when you make a selection, it'll give you the little code here. And if you know this hash code, you already have maybe company themes set, you can just type that in here and it will pull the color up for you. Once you've made your selection, just hit Update Theme Colors and you're done. It will automatically update the color theme for all of your widgets. And you can only have one theme across all the widgets right now. Maybe down the road you'll be able to have individual themes, but based on the feedback we got, most people only had the one. And that's way more than we had before, so it's a big change. The next thing I want to talk about is this default column. Currently, you can only have one default repair widget, and that default repair widget is the one that gets used in the website integrations. So for those of you that have been using a device repair widget on your website, the default one that you choose here will be the one that gets used automatically on the site. Now, for those of you using custom widgets, Let's head over there really quick. If you're using a custom widget, previously you could select the device repair widget as a step here, and there wasn't a settings option. Now you can still pick device repair widgets, just renamed to repair widget, and in the settings button you can actually choose from all of your repair widgets for which one you want to be used in a particular flow. What's killer about this is that, of course, you can have multiple custom widgets for multiple different types of devices or repair types. But on top of that, I also can envision maybe some of you are using custom widgets as a in-store kind of check-in process. A quick example that I always like to use is that I recommend using custom widgets with like a tablet or a computer or some kind of device that you can have a customer maybe waiting in line start to fill out while they're waiting in line, so that when it's their turn to be helped, all your technician needs to do, or whoever's doing your check-ins needs to do, is go look at the lead, validate that all the information's there, and just click create ticket. And then from there you can do a deposit flow very quickly and things like that. It's a really cool time saver, and it's a way to kind of distract someone in a sort of way that they feel like their time is valued, that they're not wasting time while waiting. And I think those of us that have ever had to help multiple people by ourselves can kind of relate to wanting a distraction tool. So the ability to have different types of repair widgets based on different devices and that sort of thing for custom widgets is pretty killer. I've also said the word widget a ton, so there's that. Anyway, that again is the updates to the device repair widget, aka now called the repair widgets. If you go to admin and then the integration section, you'll see your option here called repair widgets. You can come in here, create as many as you want, go to town. You can click this theme color button, choose your company's colors, and yeah, I really hope everyone enjoys this new update to the repair widgets, and I can't wait to see what everyone does with them. Once you have some of them set up, please let us know so we can check them out. And yeah, I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Take care.